Last month, a Silverado owner got hit with a $4,700 repair bill. It started with a part that cost less than a tank of gas, one he'd never heard of, never installed, and his dealer never mentioned. Most Chevy owners spend money on the wrong upgrades: wheels, lights, cosmetics, things that look good but do nothing for the truck underneath. Meanwhile, the cheapest upgrades, the ones nobody talks about, are the ones preventing the biggest repair bills. Here are 7 cheap Chevy upgrades most owners ignore. Everyone prevents a repair costing hundreds or thousands. Everyone is under $100, most under $50, 2 under $20. Welcome back to FixDrive DIY, the channel where we uncover hidden car problems, simple maintenance tricks, and money-saving tips every driver should know. Number 7. Magnetic Drain Plug 1025. Your factory drain plug just drains oil. A magnetic one catches the microscopic metal particles your filter misses. Shavings from bearings, lifters, and cam lows. Pull it at every oil change. A clean magnet means a healthy engine. Heavy metallic buildup is an early warning before a dash light or a blown engine. Confirm thread pitch before ordering. Number 6. Fumoto Quick Drain Valve 3550. Every oil change wrestles a bolt in and out of aluminum threads that can strip a $300,700 repair. A Fumoto valve replaces the plug with a lever-operated brass valve. Flip it. Oil drains, no tools, no cross-threading risk ever again. Number 5. Differential breather. Relocation 15 to 60. Your rear differential vents through a breather, about 12 and off the ground. Drive through deep water while it's cooling, and it sucks water in with the air. Contaminated gear oil means a 1/500-3000 plus rebuild. Routing the hose to frame rail height, front, rear, and transfer case, about $60 total. Keeps water out permanently. Number 4. Greasable ball joints 3575 each. Factory sealed joints can't be serviced and typically last 8,000 and 2,120 miles, far less on a level truck wear. Failures at 40-60 miles are common. Swapping to greasable joints costs about the same as sealed ones, but 3 pumps of grease every oil change, about 2, keeps them lubricated instead of replacing them every 150-350 per side repair cycle. Number 3. Oil catch can or 150-250. Tython 14 plus Ecotech 35.3L direct injection means fuel never washes the intake valves, so oil vapor from the PCV system bakes onto them as carbon. The fix is walnut blasting, $400 to $600 every 60 miles. Car catch can intercepts the oil mist before it reaches the valves, a couple hundred. Once can eliminate that recurring bill. Number 2. Heavy-duty diff cover with drain plug 80150. Differentials fail from neglect, not bad parts. The factory cover has no drain plug, so changing fluid means a 45-minute mess most owners skip. An aftermarket cover with a drain plug turns it into a 5-minute job, holds more fluid for better heat control, and often includes its own magnetic plug. Cheap insurance against a $1,500, $3,000 rebuild. Number 1. LED interior bulb swap 2540. The cheapest, most noticeable upgrade on the list. Factory incandescent give dim yellow cab lighting. LEDs at 6000 kR. Dramatically brighter, use a fraction of the power, easier on your battery, and last 30-50 hours, longer than you'll own the truck. Installation is usually tool-free. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to FixDrive DIY, and turn on notifications so you never miss another car-saving tip. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, take care of your ride, and we'll see you in the next video right here on FixDrive DIY.